Immy Taylor is a British child prodigy and social media sensation known for her extraordinary contortionist skills, acrobatics, and cheerleading talents. She has captivated global audiences with gravity-defying performances shared across platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Managed by her parents to ensure a safe online presence, Immy's content blends playful creativity with impressive athleticism, earning her a dedicated following among fans of flexibility and youth gymnastics. Her journey highlights the dedication required for such feats, often showcased in casual settings like her backyard or beach, inspiring young aspiring performers worldwide. Immy was born and raised in England, where her innate flexibility and love for movement emerged at a very young age. This parental oversight has been key to her safe navigation of online fame since starting to post content as an 8-year-old in 2019. Little is publicly known about her education, though her rigorous training schedule suggests a balance between schooling and athletic pursuits. By 2025, Immy remains highly active. In January, she shared a TikTok unveiling the long journey of practice behind her art, emphasizing dedication over years. September's On This Day reel revisited her bendy skills, captivating viewers with throwbacks to her early feats. Her YouTube channel features full videos like hiding a contortionist in a suitcase and walking on water challenges, further diversifying her content. As a member of the British Acro Trio, she competes and performs as a contortionist, flyer and acro gymnast, blending cheer and gymnastics in competitive circuits.